Hello everyone. So this past month I've been doing quite a few fast forward coaching sessions with Yvonne to help me get some things under control. So over the December holiday I realized that I do struggle sometimes with anxiety. And I think this might sound familiar to some of you, but you are always thinking, what if this bad thing happens? Or what if this happens? And then it can sort of just take over your emotions and create a state of anxiety. And with Yvonne, she really helped me in helping me to understand that we cannot control what happens. Life happens, sometimes bad things happen, sometimes good things happen. But what you can do is you can control your reaction. You have control over your emotions, and you have to realize that you do have that power within yourself. And so every time you have a bad thought, you can override it with a positive thought. For example, if you think, what if this goal of mine doesn't work out? Instead, think of what if it does work out and get excited about it. Because when you get excited about something and you believe something will work out, you will start unconsciously doing things to help it work out. So a little activity that I did that I want you to do, take a piece of paper and write down all of your negative fears and all of your negative thoughts on one side. And then on the other side, you replace it with the opposite, with a positive thought and a good thought, and how it can be better. And then what you do is you rip the paper in half and you burn the negative one. And you start reinforcing those positive thoughts. It will help you to really have a state of peace and happiness. And it's just all about being mindful. So I really hope that this little tip will help you out just as much as Yvonne has helped me out. Thank you so much, Yvonne, for all of your endless wisdom and patience, and for always being willing to help me through a bad patch. I really appreciate it.